Okay, I'm going to show you how to put together your Smart Caddy here. So let's unbox it. The first item on top is the lid. Next, we're going to call that the stabilizer. You've got two uprights. You've got a bag here that's got some touch-up paint and a little bit of thread lock. So put just a tiny bit of thread lock on all the screws and bolts before you insert them, just in case the vibration wants to work those loose over time. So there's our hardware bag. You've got two skids. And then this piece, we're just going to call up the bottom. And last but not least is the base. Okay. So first thing you want to do is put the uprights here onto the base. There's some numbers on the back side. So just line those up with the numbers that are on the base here. Like so. These washers will be to the outside. Let's get our bolts out of the hardware package here. So the only tools you're going to need for this project are going to be a 7/16 inch open end wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. So put these bolts in, but don't snug them up yet. We'll do that after we put the stabilizer bar on. So the stabilizer bar's got a right and a left side. The side with the little felt pads is on the top. Go ahead and tighten those up. Okay, now that that's on, let's go ahead and we'll tighten up all of the bolts here. Okay, now we'll flip it over. Get your skids, and there's some numbers on the bottom of the skids. Align those with the numbers on the bottom of the base. And then screw those in. Don't tighten those too much. Just get them snug. Okay, let's flip it back over. Turn it around to the back side. Now we're going to put the hinges from the lid onto the uprights. There's 6 wood screws that will be in your hardware package for this. Okay, let's turn it back around. And we'll put the floor in, just come in diagonally from either side. Just drop it in. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our pump on, or in I should say. Open the top. Okay, so one nice thing about this is that you can mount your filter right on the side here. So it comes with a screw for your bracket. So we're going to put that bracket on right here. Okay. Sorry, wrong way. Okay. So just cut your length of hose here just so it can make a nice gradual bend. like so. And then of course, you'll put this one in here, which will go out to your hose. There it is.